We're back with another $1,000 Arcteryx unboxing haul. Let's see what's inside. First things first, we have the Arcteryx Row Headband. If you're a headband guy instead of a beanie guy, then this is perfect for keeping your ears warm. Headband retails at $40 US. First impressions, it feels very soft. This is the small size.
I kind of wish it was wider on the ears because it actually gets thinner back here. But the whole point of this is to cover my ears. I like it. If you're a headband guy, you're gonna like it. I'm not a fan of this tag. As you can see, it kind of just comes out, but they kind of have a section. They make it so that you can just cut it right off, so worth it. Very soft.
Next, we have the Mantis 20-liter pack. Now, if you saw from my other videos, I actually bought the 16-liter. Loved that backpack. So why did I get the 20-liter? Well,
it came to the point where I was using it a lot and I didn't have enough space. I found myself wanting more space. I figured the next step up, 20 liters should be perfect, and just by taking a first look at it, I think this is the perfect size for my needs. I really like this knapsack duffel vibe, but basically you open it from the top, dump everything in there, tighten it up, close it up, cover the top. They've got this hook down here. If you need quick access to it, you don't have to open it from the top. You can actually enter it from the side. You'll get right in there, quick access to all your stuff. And then you also have this top layer to put quick stuff in, like your phone, wallet, keys, whatever you need quick access to.
The Mantis 20-liter comes in at $140 US.
I love the design of the bag. This colorway is perfect with the gold accent logo up here and just the clean black aesthetic. But other than that, it is a clean looking pack and I cannot wait to use it more.
Next, we have a new jacket on their website, at least new to me. It is called the Epsilon. Unique thing about this jacket is that it's basically a mix of a soft shell and an insulated jacket. So we're combining the Atom LT with the Gamma hoodie.
The Gamma hoodie is a soft shell with water resistant and wind resistant outer material. You're getting that in a lighter sense here on this hoodie, but on the inside, very insulated. I think it's 80 grams of insulation compared to the 40 or 60 on the Atom LT. I just can't describe how soft this inner lining is.
Can I just say how warm that inside is? That is silky. Silky smooth. I do like that we get an interior chest pocket here.
Perfect for a phone, keys, AirPods. We do have nice zippered pockets on the outside of the jacket, and I can gladly say that the inner lining is soft and probably softer and more comfortable than the Atom LT. Let's see it fully zipped up. We have the high collar look, which I am a fan of. And then when we put the hood fully over, it's not as aggressive as the Gamma hoodie or a Beta AR with the Storm hood, because this is just a normal hood. It'll keep you warm and covered. It's coming in at $350. If you're in the market for a warm insulated jacket that's not on your parka or thorium level for $500, this is the move, hands down. You're welcome.
Next off, we have the famous and very popular Kite Jacket, basically just a fleece jacket to wear as a mid layer, provides excellent warmth, soft to the touch, and can be used for any scenario.
This is a size small. I am a 5'6" athletic male body, and the small is the perfect length. You can see it comes right down to the wrists. I will say these collars are very soft. We do not have any inside pockets that I can see of. For a $180 jacket, I would like to see those, but it's cool because we have these very clean outer pockets. It's just so seamless when you have it zipped. Like, yeah, this is the Kite Jacket. It's one of their most popular fleece jackets. It's very warm, it's very soft. I can wear this going out to dinner, going out and about with friends.
Going into the office if I did that. Gives me tech bro vibes. Not that you need to be a tech bro to wear it.
This is just a clean jacket to layer over pretty much anything. Kite Jacket, worth it. And to finish it up with this unboxing is the new Gamma Joggers.
The Gamma Jogger comes in at $180 US.
If you have any of the Gamma pants, you'll know they're very highly rated. They're a nice soft shell material, very stretchy, pretty wind and weather resistant. So I love the fact that they made them in joggers. I have a pair of their Gamma MX, but they only come in like a regular size, which was unfortunate because I'm on the shorter side. I was hoping that they would make them in a short side for us shorter guys out there. I will say that they are still running on the longer side. Like they do come down, unfortunately. I think they'll be great though. Like when I'm running around, length will be fine. Yeah, the material feels great. We have 2 zippered normal pockets there. And then we have this interesting front right thigh zip, which I guess you can put a phone in. You can just unzip it and get more air ventilation in. That might be the purpose. Yeah, pretty hype about these joggers. My only wish is that they came in a short size, but these will do.
Next is the Arcteryx rain cover. I bought this knowing that I am going to be buying one of their multi-day packs pretty soon, and just wanted to get this in the meantime. I actually have no purpose for it as of right now, but the purpose of it normally is just to pack in your bag so that you're ready for when the weather decides to change and torrential downpour comes. Take this out and cover your whole pack with it. Now you're completely waterproof. This comes in at $35 US. We also have a thorium jacket. This is a very warm insulated jacket that my buddy Alex got, so we're gonna put this on him right now. Boom, thorium hoodie. What do you think?
I don't know, I mean, it feels warm right now, but it's not quite as thick as I expected it.
Really? Interesting.
Yeah. Maybe it's because it's been in a package or something.
That's probably it. The down needs to expand.
Yeah, maybe. But this doesn't quite have that Montclair level, you know, puffiness to it.
I think you need to step up to the SV edition.
What is that?
The severe.
Severe?
Yeah, for severe weather only.
That sounds like another $300.
It is. It's like $800 or $900.
What?
But, you know, this one for 500.
Thorium, yeah, oh yeah, I forgot to tell the ladies and gentlemen the price.
Boom.
500 beans.
USD, just like that.
I mean, for 500, it better be warm, right?
It looks pretty warm. You're looking pretty puffy in it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you're definitely covered, that's for sure.
Oh, this is good. Like, I mean, it covers your whole mouth if you want it to.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good. So the large, you know, is a good size for me, I think. Definitely better than the medium, but the sleeves are just a tad too long.
Yeah, but don't they have like a wrist cuff at the end?
Yeah, they do. But, you know,
go.
it just gets just a touch baggy right here. You see that?
Mm.
Otherwise, perfect. You know, if you're broad-shouldered, you know, the medium might be a bit tight. The large is, you could definitely get another layer, at least I can, under this. You get some pockets in here. It's got your hat pocket right here, another hat pocket, and the bag.
There's the bag.
Nice.
So you can pack into itself, turn into a pillow basically. So 500 thorium worth?
500 thorium worth, I don't know. Yeah, I mean, this material feels pretty durable. It feels like it could hold up to some rain, possibly, a bit. You know, not like a downpour, of course, but yeah. I'd give it, you know, 3.5 stars.
3.5 stars.
You know how picky I am.
Big critic over here. Even rocking the Arcteryx toque on his head.
Hey, gotta match, right?
There it is. And that is it. That is the Arcteryx unboxing this time. Hopefully there were some items here that you've been having your eye on. If you got any questions, leave them in the comment section down below. Let me know what you want us to buy next and try on. If you didn't see the last one, check that out. And with that, peace.